My parents both grew up on dairy farms. They grew up in the Allegan Martin area, and they moved to the farm we're at now in 1991. When they moved here to the farm, they had 6 kids under the age of 6, and that happened by, I have an older brother, I'm a twin, and there's triplets below me, so it goes 1, 2, 3 right in order. My twin brother Eric, he's the main cow guy. He's on the farm most of the time, but he will come down to the creamery and help out when needed. So with 100% of our herd being all A2 cows, people that have a sensitivity to dairy should be able to digest it better.
So A2 is something that we've been going over for the last 3 years. We had a neighbor guy come from Australia, and that's where it got developed. Is the A2 company really got developed in Australia, got discovered. He came over and was saying it was a thing that you can work through breeding, so selecting A2 bulls. It piqued our interest right away.
We knew it was going to be a long process, but we knew we had to test our own animals to know where we were at and which cows were A2 and which ones weren't. So we started looking around at different companies that would do testing, and Neogen had the easiest system to deal with. They were actually one of the cheaper options on the market as well to test.
We really were like, okay, we know what company we're going with now, because we got the results back faster, and that's what we're always hoping for too, so that's a huge part of it. The Igenity family of products has really helped our herd kind of continue moving forward and with testing, and we use it for different things at the creamery and at the farm, so it's been really beneficial for us to be able to continue to move forward. Before Genomics, the reliability was way lower, so now we were able to identify that animal and work with her sooner and quicker, and then genetics can really gain in progress just in a few years, how you can really change your herd just through using genomics. It's hard times in the dairy industry right now, so if you're not moving forward, you're probably falling behind. If we can be proactive instead of reactive, that's really important, especially moving forward on A2, and we really hope it's the future of dairy.
We definitely strive for a high quality milk. We just try to make it taste the best that we can, and hopefully the product sells itself.
The further you get removed from the farm, the further you're removed from knowing where your food actually is coming from. We have a lot of people coming in and coming through, and we're able to kind of really educate the general public, which is kind of huge for the dairy industry lately.
People like to see the farm up on the hill, and they can see when they come and buy our milk, they know that the milk is coming from our own farm. It's not commingled with anybody else's.
It's a great place to work, and it's a really fun place to be able to work with your family each and every day and kind of reach out to the general public too, where a lot of other dairy farms maybe not have that opportunity, but hopefully we're good for the dairy industry, not just good for MOO-ville.